What if I told you Ahmadiyya in Ghana began with a Christian priest, a mysterious dream, and a message sent across continents? In 1885, something surprising happened in Ghana. A respected Christian, Benjamin Sam, accepted Islam and brought many followers with him. After his death, Chief Mehdi Appa continued his mission. Then came a mysterious dream. In 1920, a Muslim named Yusuf Nyako dreamt of white men leading Muslims in prayer. People laughed because every white man they knew was Christian. But soon, news arrived. In India, there was a Muslim community called Ahmadiyya, with even white converts. The dream suddenly felt real. Chief Mehdi Appa believed it was a sign, so Ghanaian Muslims sent a letter all the way to Qadian, India. In 1921, the impossible happened. Hazrat Maulvi Abdurrahim Mir stepped onto Ghanaian soil, the first Ahmadi missionary, and that's how Ahmadiyya began in Ghana.